So I reconsidered making the last three effects that we need, which is this one and this one and this one. And why that? I will leave you the EPS file and you can try with it. We have already experimented with 3 images, so we don't need to experiment with the 6 images to know how to do them. We do the same process in each time. So I guess now you can predict and you can understand how we can do this. I will just leave you the EPS and you can put the image or whatever images. Just try to change the images and get your own images from pixels and start making them with this effect. You can even change the effect and make more effects like these ones if you want. Believe me, these will make your website look beautiful.